Thiku imwe mbere ya mihang'o ya utarani wa andu ihuritwo cabi guothe bururi-ini, thirikari ni ihinyiriirie kwihaririria kwayo hari gutigirira mihang'o ino ni yathii na mbere hatari na muhinga o wothe. Guku ministeri iri ikuruhanitio cia ukinyaniria kigina na ugitiri wa thiini nyitanire hari gwikira uritu murugamo uyu guku makiuria akenya gukanyitite mihang'o-ini ino. Minista wa ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Matiang'i akihuthira mweke uyu kuruta mukana kuri atongoria kiuteti na aria mangikorwo na riciria ria guthararia mihang'o ino. Guku akimera honge cia ugitiri iricemba kung'ethanira na ciiko ta ici kuringana na watho.
We are monitoring those things. We are watching you as you are trying to do those things, and we are aware of the meetings you had last night. And at an appropriate time, we will ensure that you meet with the law so that you are helped to live as a decent person and as a decent leader.
Mukana uyu wa Matiang'i yukite o riri kihiri kia atongoria kiuteti makoretwo magitabania kambeini cia kuria muingi uria uikaraga mataoni-ini guthii gutarirwo mici-ini kuria maumite.
Some of these primitive habits that some of our political leaders have lived with for a long time, moving people around, hassling others and talking about this clan must be here and there. Let's stop these things.
Mothe maya thirikari ikihinyiriria mehaririria mothe magutabanio kwa mihang'o ino ni marikiriirio wega. Kuria maabitha aria mandikitwo kumitabania marikitie mathomo ma undu umwe na kurihwo mbeca iria marutire wira. Riri macini iria ikahuthika utari-ini uyu irikitie gutumwa makaunti-ini mbere ya utarani uyu kwambiriria muthenya wa juma. Guku nayo thirikari ihinyiriirie maumirira ma utarani uyu ni magitiirwo wega.
First, assure Kenyans that your data and information is safe and secure.
All the available resources have been already sent to the various counties for payment of the individuals, the personnel involved, and for any attendant cost. So nobody should complain.
Na hari ndereti iria thiite na mbere kuguciriria mawoni matiganite kuma kuri Akenya. Matiang'i ni ahinyiriirie watho wa no nginya irabu ciothe ikahingwo utuku wa juma niguo kuhe mweke utarani uyu no nginya utio. Riri ene irabu mathiite na mbere gukirira watho uyu makiuga ni wa kumahinyiriria.
You can go have your drink between 2 and 5 o'clock. By 5, then, proceed home so that you can be counted. And you can also watch Liverpool and Arsenal play at home.
Girifotara Kameme TV, jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.